Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we got an install for you. So today we're gonna change a alternator on the G. But first, before you change your alternator, you're gonna have to remove the top piece up here and remove the fan. Remove this so you could have space, and maybe you're gonna have to remove this too. So when I'm doing this, I'm gonna show you guys. So now I'm gonna take off the bumper so I could have space to like go under there. Yeah, so you guys could like take off the bumper so you guys have space. So right now I hooked it up, like catch it right here, cause my lights are right there and they wired like right there. So I got to put some zip ties right there to hold the bumper so my lights won't like come out. But yeah, so you got to go under the car to remove these lines, these two lines, so you could take the fan out. Okay guys, so right now you're gonna have to take out the fans and you're gonna have to remove the coolant line so you could get more space. So that's how it's looking right now, and you're gonna have to pull the belt tensioner right here, this, loosen it, and your belt should be easy to come off. Okay guys, so to take off the belt, you're gonna have to use your socket wrench, this, or if you got a serpentine belt tool, that's how it looks. You're gonna put it like right in the hole down here on the belt tensioner, and you're gonna lean it this way like this, push it this way so you could loosen the belt. You could take it off. So guys, right now I'm under the car right now. So you're gonna need a 14mm to pull these bolts right here, 1, 2, and you're gonna have to remove the belt tensioner right here to get to the other bolt right there. If you can see, it's right there. So you're gonna have to remove the belt tensioner. Okay guys, so the belt tensioner is off right now. So this was the bolt I was telling you guys about, this one right here. It's 14mm, so you're gonna have to pull that off to get out the alternator. Okay guys, and before you do all of this, make sure you guys disconnect your battery terminals. So right now I'm at 1 bolt. So when you take out these bolts right here, so you got 1 right here, you got 1 somewhere around here. So when you take them out, it's gonna be like this. So I got one more bolt to loosen. It's right here. It's the 15mm right here, but these two is gonna be 14. So the alternator is loosened, and make sure you guys take the connection off. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys see when I'm taking it out. So make sure you guys pull the alternator wire first. When you're under here, it's right here, but I pulled it already. So the wire is right here. So that's the wire. Make sure you guys pull it first. So this is the wire right here, this. So it goes on to this. So make sure you guys pull that first to get it out the way. So right now I only got like 1 bolt to pull. It's right there to take out the alternator. So make sure you guys pull that one bolt. And it should come out like this. So just like that, the alternator is out. So that's how you do it. Okay guys, so right now I'm trying to take it out right now. So you got to move these wires out the way and these lines. So just like that. And you could take it from the top. So you're gonna have to take it from the top. And make sure you guys pull the clip from the top part before removing the alternator. So you gotta remove this clip, and it should come out from the top. Or I'm gonna try to take it out from right here. So just like that, it's out. So that's how you take out alternator, guys. So here's the old one. So that's how it's looking. So I'm gonna install a new one now. Okay guys, so it's the same procedure to like put it in back. Just like how you take it out, you put it in back from the bottom. So I'm gonna put it in right now and put the bolt so I could catch it right here. So I'm gonna show you guys once I put the bolt in. So right now guys, it's in right now, but I didn't tighten it yet. Make sure you guys put back the wire for the alternator on the back. It's underneath, so it's just like putting it back together, just like how you take it off. So just that one bolt leave and the alternator wire from the battery, and that's it. Okay guys, so the alternator is on right now. Everything is connected. Got the wire right there. Got one of the wire right there. And now it's time to put on the belt tensioner. I think this is gonna be a 14mm socket. So we're gonna put on back the belt tensioner and let you guys see. Okay guys, so right now the tensioner is on, so it's time to put on back your belt. Okay guys, so when you're trying to put on back your belt, you could use one of this and like put it like right in here. So you're gonna go like this. So you could get to like back the belt tensioner, so you could put on the belt. I'm using one end right now, so I'm gonna have to put on the belt first and then tell you guys what to do. Okay guys, so the belt is on right now. So the easy part is you're gonna have to route it first, then last you're gonna put it on this idler pulley right here. You're gonna use the serpentine belt puller or toolkit, whatever you want to call it, or the wrench, the socket wrench, but this one would be better. Okay guys, so everything is buttoned up again. So as I said, it's the same procedure, same like how you take it off, that's how you put it on back. And make sure you guys put back everything on your car. So it's buttoned up, so we're gonna get the first start up. Start it. Okay, so belt's running good. So I'm gonna take the negative terminal off. If it stays on, we good. If it turn off, that means it's not good. The alternator is not good. So that's the way you guys could check it to see if your alternator is good. So let's take it off. Okay, so we got a success. So alternator is good, it's charging. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe and let me know what you guys think. Peace.